In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send same DocuSign to multiple people. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send one document to several recipients at once, either all at the same time or in a specific order, and how to make sure everyone signs in the right place. Start by signing into your DocuSign account. Make sure your plan and permissions allow you to send documents. If you're part of a team, your admin may need to grant sending privileges. Once you're in the dashboard, click New, then choose Send an Envelope. An envelope is simply DocuSign's container that holds your document, your recipients, and all the signing settings. On the envelope page, upload the file under Add Documents by clicking Upload. Choose the version you're ready to share with everyone. DocuSign supports PDFs, Word and Excel files, and common image formats. It's a good idea to use a clear file name so recipients know what they're signing the moment they open it. If you don't have DocuSign yet or prefer using the web, there's a link to the DocuSign website at the very top of the description so you can get there quickly. Next, add your recipients. You have two ways to send the same document to multiple people. If you want everyone to receive it at the same time, add each person's name and email, assign the appropriate role such as signer or CC, and select the option that says all recipients can sign in any order. This is great for parallel workflows like collecting acknowledgements or approvals without waiting on a specific sequence. If you need a specific order, list recipients in the sequence you want, then choose recipients must sign in the order listed. The document will move to the next person only after the previous one signs. You can also include CC roles for people who need a copy but don't need to sign. Click Next to open the tagging screen. This is where you place signature fields, dates, and any other required fields on the document. Drag and drop fields to the exact spots where each recipient needs to act. DocuSign will automatically color code and assign each field to the correct person, but take a moment to verify that each field belongs to the right recipient, and that every required signature and date is placed. Before sending, review your settings. Confirm the recipient order if you chose a sequence, check that fields are assigned correctly, and add a clear message with any instructions recipients should see in the email. When everything looks good, click Send. Each recipient will receive an email with a secure link and clear instructions. You can track the signing progress from your DocuSign dashboard and see when each person has completed their part. That's it. Simple and reliable. Thanks for watching.